channel, you'll know I have a few videos of these things. Well, I stumbled across another one. Did you see that? See what it was? Hey, pause. You ever see those stupid videos where they show these people like taking a picture of their butt and all of a sudden they flash the camera and then everybody's trying to like slow down on it and see what it is? And you find a picture of a dog or something. It's not one of these. This is a locking pliers. It is a WorkPro 7-inch locking pliers, 180 millimeters. Can you guess what part of the world this is made in? Can you guess? Because they're all made in the same place. It's made in China. What's so good about this? I have no idea. I haven't the slightest clue. But here's the best thing about vice grips. You know these little plastic things called zip ties? You take your vice grips, you latch onto them if you can. You take the corner of vice grip, go in there and you just twist, and they come off. And that's where, what do you call it, Murphy's Law kicked in and didn't work. But normally if you just twist on it, normally if you use a better vice grips. Use a high quality, what's this one? Tecton, see? We'll try the Tectons. Take the Tecton, clamp it on there, and then twist. See, it comes off. Hooray, Tecton, see? Ta-da! That's how I use it. These are 7-inch vice grips. Are they the same as everyone else? Do I have any other ones here? Nope. I don't have any like this, actually. They're actually not bad. I mean, the finish is kind of weird. For a cheap, I don't know, like $6. It's got the little cutting thing in the middle here, which looks like it doesn't. Wait, where is it? See the little cutter in there? Doesn't even touch. So what's it going to cut? Surprisingly, if you look at the front here, these things line up beautifully. There is very little slop in this. Like, this is a, believe it or not, it's even got the name. So 400 years from now, you'll know it's like a no-name Chinese brand. But it does feel like it feels like it has some good Chinese quality in there. It's got 3 rivets. Woo! It's actually got a weird, I don't know, these Tectons are round. This one's got it's got a pretty pronounced little bump right here. So your hand kind of gets locked in right here. But I mean, I've got so many weird vice grips. That's one thing I've learned. I don't know who originally, I should probably look it up, who originally designed the patent. Like, I don't know if it's Peterson or one of these companies in the 1880s, like maybe one of the BMC ones, whatever, or whatever prototype. But whoever did this, and it seems like everybody stole the patent. Like, the patent expired and everybody's just freeloading off of someone else's design, and nobody's been able to make a better one. This is like I don't know, when it comes to analog technology and clamping stuff, no one has beat this clamping thing. Yeah, we have regular like pliers, and Nipex has all kinds of fancy, really, really good quality tools. But when it comes to just cheap, lock it on and grip it and, tear the threads out and destroy shit, you can't beat these. They're cheap, they're inexpensive, they work. Most of them do the job. Even the shit ones that don't line up still do the job. So you get it is what it is. It's just a cheap, good quality tool. I mean, at least every toolbox should have at least one of these. That's my theory. And for anybody who's new to welding, I'm not a professional welder, but everybody knows you can pick up dozens of these things for almost nothing and just burn them up welding. Especially like these things. Well, on Amazon, you could buy these things all day long for $10 each. You want to start a welding business? You don't want to burn $40 vice grips, locking pliers, because vice grips is a brand name. There's like, this is what, a Hyper Tough. This is a Walmart brand. These are, if you put this blindfolded in my hand, I probably be reading in Hyper Tough Braille on here, which one it was, but I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Like, quality wise, I mean, if you put these, sit here and ask me how it was, I wouldn't be able to, I'd be able to tell it wasn't a Peterson one because of the logo, but if you covered the logo up with tape, I would probably know, because I know all the Peterson don't have this dent right here. It's not a fatty here. This one's, see, That one's got a little fat thing here. This part's wider, but good quality. Where did I pick them up? At some local hardware store here. Well, we were ordering windows, and I was wandering around, and I was like, you know what? Hey, let me check. Oh no, I bought them at a place called Utils Berger. They're a big tool place here that sells good quality tools at basically inflated Canadian prices. They do have one thing that's really good though. They sell a mag drill for roughly the same amount of. I think it's made by Fine for roughly the same amount of price it is in U.S. So I'm like, maybe I'll save my money and sell a few parts. Buy myself a magnetic drill. Yeah. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Locking pliers, cheap ones. They work. They're awesome. I'll add them to the collection. Yeah, I collect stupid things. I don't really collect them. I like doing reviews on them. YouTube has given me a reason to buy 10 million of these. Make a review for you so you can find out that they're all the same. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click some buttons, like, subscribe, and do whatever you do. And watch the whole video. Because if you watch videos on YouTube, watch everybody's. If you like the channel, if you subscribe to it, try to watch the whole video. It helps everybody's algorithm. Thanks for watching.